Tired of printing frustrations? Meet the HP NV6555E solution. Picture this: you're rushing to print a crucial document, and your printer jams, disconnects, or runs out of ink again. Home printing should be easy, but outdated tech, spotty Wi-Fi, and endless ink replacements often leave us tearing our hair out. Whether it's for homework, work-from-home tasks, or cherished photo projects, unreliable printers cause stress and wasted time. Isn't it time for a solution that simplifies your life and delivers top-notch results? Enter the HP NV6555E. A wireless all-in-one printer designed to banish these common headaches and make your printing experience seamless. The HP NV6555E isn't just a printer, it's your home office hero. With wireless connectivity and mobile printing capabilities, you can print, scan, or copy from anywhere. Say goodbye to connection woes with its dual-band Wi-Fi that automatically detects and resolves network issues. Tired of manual page flipping? Automatic two-sided printing and a 35-sheet auto-document feeder handle it for you. From borderless photos to sharp black and white documents, every print comes out looking vibrant and professional. This printer takes the chaos out of printing and puts control back into your hands. Navigating modern tech shouldn't feel like deciphering an ancient scroll. The HP NV6555E features a 2.4-inch intuitive color touchscreen, making every task a breeze. Its true-to-screen technology ensures your prints look just as vivid as they do on your device. Need to print from your phone? The HP Smart app lets you manage jobs, scan documents, or even send faxes right from your pocket. With its user-friendly features, this printer doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them, delivering efficiency and quality like no other. Printing sustainably has never been simpler. The HP NV6555E is crafted from 60% recycled plastic and supports HP's Forest First initiative, meaning every page you print helps protect the environment. With HP Instant Ink, you'll never run out of ink unexpectedly. Instead, ink is delivered straight to your door at a fraction of the cost, saving you up to 50%. It's a win-win. Convenience for you and a better future for the planet. Who says top-tier printing can't also be eco-friendly? When it comes to printers, the HP NV6555E is in a league of its own. Reliable, efficient, and packed with features, it's designed to tackle your printing problems head-on. Whether you're creating vibrant photo albums, handling work documents, or helping kids with school projects, this printer delivers professional quality results every time. Affordable and durable, it saves you time, money, and headaches, making it an essential tool for any household. Why struggle with outdated tech when you can own the perfect all-in-one solution? The HP NV6555E is here to transform your printing experience for good.